Honor has launched its new smartphone under X series in Malaysia called Honor X9c Smart. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X9c Smart features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 850 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, paired with IMG BXM8 256 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Honor X9c Smart sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.75 aperture, along with the 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5,800 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Magic OS 8 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is also dust and splash resistant. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Dual Band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.98 by 75.8 by 7.88 millimeters, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of this phone at the moment, and we expect the phone to be priced around 800 Malaysian ringgits, and it will be available in Ocean Cyan and Moonlight White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X9c Smart smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.